Hi there, my name is Stephen Elmer. In this video, I will go over the steps that I took to test a prototype solution for a problem at my school. First, a little bit about my prototype and the problems that it tries to address. First of all, the problem of practice that I attempted to address was that the course structures in my college are inconsistently organized, which makes it confusing for students to navigate the curriculum. As I ideated on possible solutions for that problem, a clear potential solution was to create a template for all the courses that we use. This way, staff could just copy the template when they build out their courses. A complicating factor to this is that there is already a template that exists, and we have been consistently revising. However, we have noted that a common problem with this template is that it requires a lot of judgment calls about where content types need to be placed, which often means that a content type that appears in one folder on one course could be in a completely different folder in another course. This leads to additional confusion for students. This inspired a new prototype structure, one that first organizes content by type and then chronologically. Next, I needed to test the prototype, so I interviewed 3 staff members who have used the legacy template and 2 students who have experience with the legacy template. For the interview, I developed a questionnaire that attempted to contextualize the problem that the prototype was attempting to solve and asked interviewees to share their thoughts about both the prototype and the legacy template as viewed side by side. I also asked them to consider different content types and then asked them to share where they would place those types of content in both the legacy and the prototype templates. I selected a questionnaire format because I wanted to have an opportunity to discuss the 2 templates in depth with my interviewees. I wrote a questionnaire script so that I would ask my participants the same questions. I followed my questionnaire nearly verbatim between participants in order to prevent accidentally skewing their perceptions of the template due to my own language. Finally, my intent for the questions was to provide opportunity for honest feedback and engagement with the templates.